Ay, makalag!
Hello mga kalaan! Minutes in the life.
Sa Duha Kalaagan. Hello mga kalags! And welcome to
Minutes in the life.
sa Duha Kalaagan. Live here sa
Bluebird Cafe.
Yes, makita niyo siya sa, doon siya sa Horizons 101.
Mango Avenue Street.
Yes. And today, special, kaya atong i-celebrate ang month sa mga parehan nimo.
Parehan ako. Kababaihan.
Babae.
Babae.
Girl.
Girl.
Baba G.
Baba G.
Diba? Woman.
Yeah.
No matter how you call it, basta mo na to siya. Mga women because it's International
Women's
Month. Speaking of international, mga international ng bisita sa itong luyo gani,
Yan, nakapisla sa liyo.
Diba? In fairness. Diba? Atong storyan ko rin ang mga achievement.
Yes. Ilahang mga contributions dito sa world.
Diba?
Ilang significance.
Diba? The essence.
Being a woman.
Oh, yes. So, ano ba itong gipaabot ka lag, Esther? Manood na ta.
Manood na ta. Mga wala ta sa Bluebird Cafe and let's talk about more
About women! Hello mga kalags! And the food has arrived.
Yes.
So again, we are here in Bluebird.
Bluebird Cafe.
So what are we having? We have the hongba, diba?
Yes.
So, ano, braised pork with calamansi.
Achar.
Ako siya serving in fairness.
Fairness.
Huwag pa kanina po.
Kaya mo yan.
And of course, we are having a healthy option.
Yes, we have the salmon.
Fish.
Yes.
I think this is mashed potato.
Mashed potato on the side.
In fairness. And then may pa lettuce.
Yes, lettuce and what's that? Balsamic vinegar.
Spell balsamic. We have some balsamic.
Gatsuputi.
Diba? And of course, our spaghetti.
Yes, the creamy pesto.
Yes, creamy pesto spaghetti. With the, may ano to siya?
May pa-crunchy.
Spada. And of course, I'm having my ube coconut. With one shot espresso in fairness. First time na po nga manay ko drink na pa coffee nga na ube-ube.
Na-share ka na coconut on top.
Oh yes. So what are we waiting for? Like Esther.
Yes, so let's chika
Let's
na.
try. Yes.
Let's chika while trying the
different kinds of food. And then we're trying the food that we have now. Of course. Let's talk about women, Char. So, Kalag Esther, as a woman, what is your essence?
As an independent woman,
A strong, independent woman.
and very strong
And very independent.
and very independent. Konsya, lahot tayo sa tanan.
Diba?
Loving ourselves.
But I must say, in fairness sa woman, yung daghan yung mga, I would say, tawag ba siyang hardships?
Exactly.
Diba? Kaya daghan yung mag-agian. In order for you to become a woman, diba? Of course, let's talk about kung mag-adolescent na mo. So, of course, diba? Yung body, and then here comes the
labor.
the period. Anak palang daan, no?
Every woman has a different experience.
Yes.
May uban nga kalma lang, may uban nga medyo kabaro.
Na magsakit.
Dysmenorrhea affect every month.
Diba? Anak palang daan, no?
Nasa uban nga craving of a lot of food.
Diba?
They said ba nga, in a whole month daw of a woman, may 4 cycles.
Okay. Wow,
The first cycle is katong katong menstruation period. But before that, mga cravings, mga tantrums, mga different hormonal changes, dali sa puton, dali may anxious. So, during that period, medyo tagaan siyang space to paano process himself. Kaya di niya mapungan ang mga changes in body. And after anak nga week, musulod na dahil ang monthly period, kung diha na ang pinaka-peak.
Di ba?
So, di pwede tandugon
And how long will you be experiencing this, gani? Di ba mo kalag after?
until
Heavy, no?
for how many years, Jude?
Oo.
Ingon
Until
sila,
magmenopause. Di
Ingon
ba?
sila,
Imagine. I think I would say the essence of being a woman, like giving birth, only a woman can do.
Yes.
Nobody else.
Nobody can do that.
Di ba? Imagine 9
9
months.
Plus, how many hours of labor ang human?
Di ba?
Grabe.
So it's just right that we have to celebrate women, I would say.
I think women are worthy of much respect. What I admire most about women, baka they can do both things man good equally or sometimes even
More,
better.
di ba?
Like sometimes they become career women, corporate leaders at the company. They are the heads or the leaders. They manage people at home. They also transition themselves into moms.
Yes.
And then they also
Diba?
handle it both
Well, di ba?
nurturing.
Speaking of mga career women, di ba? I'm pretty sure you also have some, how do you call this? Women you look up to.
Yeah, so mga leader, women leaders.
Do you have anyone in specific? Kalag Esther.
Ito mga sa unang panahon na kanang wala ko bitaw na heard ang women and then naka-discover og ginani.
Oh.
For example, nalandaan si Madam Marie Curie,
Di ba?
radioactivity.
In fairness to her.
During her time, lalaki ra ba jud ang
Actually, I heard.
yeah.
But because of
Pansot
her.
ka nang mo'y ka nang na-recognize all the time.
I would say that maybe she opened how do you say, ang women nga maka-enter sa science, world of science, no?
That's Marie Curie. Siya ba ang pasigog na sa radioactivity.
Which atong muna naman ginagamit karon sa mga X-ray, di ba?
Oh, thanks to her.
Because of that, no? And she sacrificed her life because of that.
True.
Sadly, no? Yung kamatian. Diana. Pero she's heard all over the world. Yung ana siya ka-influential.
Exactly.
So,
When
no?
she died, gani mura jud kuan.
Kung na-hurt na ko ato. Bilang di mi kaila.
ko ato. Pero ganahin.
When was that? 1997? Was it 1997?
Mga nana 96, 97.
No? So, grabe ito ko na marag, nawala na si Princess Diana, marag nasad ko ato na part.
Ano jud ko ato sa
Kasi
iyang
she could be a perfect queen jud unta. Siya jud ang pinaka the best. Kaya karon kinsa man.
Si kuan, Kate
Middleton is
Middleton.
fine, but di man kay siya kuan good.
Hindi
Heard.
pa
I
siya
mean,
si
compared to
Princess
Princess Diana ba? Kasi Princess Diana, bisag asa buto siya all over the world. India, Africa, ano? And then,
Siya ba ang
yung mga-
England's Rose.
Yes. So sad ka, no? Wala na siya. Next would be, akong next kasi pa. Miriam, kato siya, ano to siya, no? Royalty.
Royalty.
Dito sa politics, the one and only, what did you mapan? MDS. Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Exactly.
Walang makakapalit. Just like yun na siya ko ang next MDS, wala yung next niya. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. She's the only one who
Wala yung maka-level.
even if they imitate how she speaks, they do.
Jude.
Her intelligence is so fast na.
Salo, everything.
Her thought runs really fast.
Di ba?
As fast as her mouth.
Lagi. Unfortunately, just because of the way she speaks or her actions, so she's usually or most of the time misunderstood by people.
To those close-minded people.
Yes. Yeah, murag, and then they even called her nga murag, oy, na siya something, ana ba? But if you're going to open your mind lang jud mo and then understand things, she always has a point.
Of course, she doesn't
They-
speak man without any
Diba?
logic.
And then of all the politicians, I think she's the only one. And not I think, I'm really sure na I haven't heard anything about she being corrupt.
Yeah.
That's what I like about her. So, ay sayang lang sa again, she already passed away. Mga passed away lagi ako mga ako mga lagi like. No, it's so sad. Yeah, they left the world so early when I think they can really do a lot.
About sa mga deads na magkatabi sa mga buhi.
Oh,
I think ako kasi, although she's not perfect na because she came from her youth but was a little bit like medyo siya wild.
oh, okay.
But I really like Angelina Jolie.
Huh?
Angelina
I would
Jolie.
say. The past cannot define
Her present.
Oh, ganun ko, di ba?
Oo.
Okay, even though I think, even though she experienced those kind of things, pa ba yan, no?
Oh, she had been through a lot.
She used that as a lesson to be better.
But it didn't make her stop from doing something good. Labi na yung humanitarian, di good siya.
True.
She sacrifices a lot. Uy, liman kag. I mean, from being an actress to being a producer at the same time. Kato akong ganahan, daghan na siya nindot nga gibuhat, like mga voluntary work. But akong pinakaganahan is when she portrayed Maleficent, and then she had her daughter be her own daughter.
Oo.
The reason is she said na if they could get another a child actress, the child might be scared of her. So para di na scared ang iyang gikuha ang iyang anak. And then para kuan ka ng sanay dali, and then ma-experience mo sa iyang child na mo din ang kuan ang kanang job sa kong mama.
Oh, yes.
And then iyang anak sa naturally she was
Oh,
able to portray the role.
actually,
Thanks to her.
So thanks to her, actually.
And then because of that Maleficent, when you see that part na kanang bitong mura siya kanang stricta but ang baby ni Smile.
Oo.
My bestie. And I
Di ba?
cute kayo.
That's it, Plug Esther.
Yes,
Wow,
I hope you
very
enjoy
fun katong kuan, no? About mga girls,
Yes.
women.
Emotion.
Emotion.
Beyonce. Go.
Asin na di ay. Okay, so that's it mga kalag. I hope you enjoyed our little talk.
Yes, I will talk over good food here at Bluebird
Bluebird
Cafe.
Cafe. Yes, you've got to try this one. Ang hongba, ilang salmon. Ano sa salmon di kalag, Esther?
Yummy. It's salmon. I like it because na-feel ako ang taste sa salmon yun.
Nakuan siya.
Hindi
Fried.
di sa kayo deep.
Mm.
And then, dili para. Alam mo yung cream cheese oh.
I love it. In fairness, it's really creamy. No?
Alam mo siya, I love
Creamy.
it.
Mas pagkuan mo sa dyan.
Pesto siya.
I think it's cut. Mas pa carbonara pa daw ang peg. That's it for today mga kalaan. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe and
share.
share. Don't forget to subscribe there.
Sharing is loving ba yan?
Yes.
Oh.
And don't forget to click the notification
Yes,
bell for the next update.
Yes, asa
Pagaya
sa
ko-
kata next mga laag. Murag layo sa laagan next time tingalin, no?
Yes. Asa sa katani.
Diba? Stay tuned. O gini lang na sa
Minutes to live sa Duha
Kalaagan.
Happy Women's Day!